Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to check back around for the Sonic Adventure kind of thing for this and tells you all that stuff, and I was planning check out, see what's new, and I'm really excited for it. Honestly, I'm really excited because last time I ever did this, it was very good in my opinion, and got nobody here with me today. Just me, not Logan. So, yep. I'm here today and I'm just gonna check out this new game. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm also gonna check out more games, see what's there and stuff like that. I have nothing really planned, so I'm just gonna mess around on Roblox, maybe even other games. Don't know. Alright, so we're getting to the first stage. Test stage 01. Nothing really changed there, I guess. Guess we're still going into a test stage. So far, everything looks okay. Everything looks, I guess, decent. Nothing really changed about this, like, loading screen much, ever, even. So, yeah, that's something to note. Touch. This screen has not really changed much. And it's taking forever to load. Great. Ah, here we go. Oh, so we're spawning here now. I see. Yeah, by the way, guys, I got a new keyboard, so if you hear any clickety-clacking, that's me. Nothing really changed over here much. The I figured out you can do that, and also you can boost in the air to get some momentum. And yeah, everything's pretty good. Oh, so they added lives. Cool. I wonder if you get a game over screen. What's gonna happen? See if Supersonic's any different. Doesn't seem so. It's kind of a disappointment. I really wish, like, maybe like it would be like where Supersonic and I don't know what they would do to Supersonic. I just feel like Supersonic should like have like maybe this like animation instead of him just turning into Supersonic and all of that. Just my preference, I guess. I don't know. But everything seems okay from here. Nothing seems like too different. Except for the menu thing, kind of. Because, like, it's changed a little bit. They added lives and everything like that. Oh, outside of this. Turn back in there or something. Oh, that person just died. Uh, oof, the lag. Nothing really seems to be changed much, at least. That's not changed. Let's see if this has changed any bit. Well, they added much more than just Ooh, rank S. Oh, I did it. Let's replay. Because I'm not sure if they've added anything else. Oh, that's new. Wait, can you spin bench? I don't think you can. Maybe they could add that. That would be cool. If you would add that, that would be amazing. Can activate that. So, yeah, I think that's really it for this game. I was really hoping much more than just a few changes with the screen and maybe a few more. I don't know. I was just hoping more for this game and not just a few little changes. But in the future, I think they should honestly, do more of this. And now I'm going to transfer over to the next game. See you in a few seconds. Alright, so this is the next game we're going to play. The Rank. I don't know. I think I played this game, but I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be really slow or not. I hope it's not going to be really slow by loading in. Alrighty then. Doesn't seem too slow. Hmm. And, oh, it's loading. Loading everything. And somebody's already been slain. Great. Dude, no. Alright, come on. Skipping, I don't care. Finalizing loading complete. Cool. Alright, let's get into the game. Let's play. Play. Alright, cool. Yeah, I have played this game. I think this is like Game Pass, I think. Yeah, I don't really think much has changed. Yep, I have played this game, that's for sure. Oh, there's somebody else. Hello there. Hi. I'm gonna turn on the volume. And when I turn on the volume, of course there's a scream. You might have already heard the volume, but I'm gonna try. I am gonna stay up here. Running! See you later! Oh, wait, Alright, so I'm back with a friend online now. He just joined in. Say hello, Ian. Also known as Epic Face 1956, if that's your name. Chill out, okay? Your volume is really high. Okay. Alright. press the space button. Skipping, accept, play. Hmm. Alright, dude, I need to do something real quick. Alright, I'm back. Just had technical difficulties. Oh, yep. Have you joined my server yet? Have you joined my server yet, dude? Oh, jeez, I didn't even realize I was going back. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm dead. I am sorry for that being so loud, guys. My goodness. Oh boy. Why won't this turn on? Now it's on. Okay. Are you in yet? Literally just a well. I'm gonna drop down. Dude, are you playing Roblox? Are you playing a whole different game? Ian, are you playing a different game? Because I said like, hey, join my server, dude. Oh, should I end the call? Hello, sir. Ma'am, sorry. Dude, I'm recording. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. And by the way, what is this? What is this girl doing? Are you alive? I'm gonna guess that's a yes. I was talking to a girl in the game. Alright, well, guys, that's another video. I hope you enjoyed it. All the cringy moments we had. And also, I will see you. Alright. And I'll see you later, guys. Bye.